Hi, hello, my dear friends. I am your Naresh. Today, I'm going to discuss about the JavaScript functions and JavaScript programming. JavaScript functions is a block of the code designed to perform a particular task. When we can call the function, then only I will be execute the function or it will be invoked it. We can reuse the code, define the code once and use it many times. Means our logic split into methods. Whenever you need that method, then only we can call that method. And reusability means if you declare once one method, whenever you require that method, we can call the multiple times based on our requirement. So for example, I let you know for some example in my notepad and execute your logic and show to the output. For example, I create one function.html. I create one HTML page. Here I take the one script tag. Here I write the one logic. By using the function keyword, we can declare the function. So add two numbers. A first parameter A, second parameter B, and open the curly brackets within the bracket. Return keyword used to return the final output result A plus B. Now I am calling this function after the declaration of that method. Yeah, here I'm calling my method, pass A value as 10, B value as 20, and I'll save this calling method where result equal to, I'm calling this method, then I will get the result as 30. Console log of total, how much value I getting. Whenever passing the values, my result I need to, I'm expecting values 30. Let's go to the my folder. Where is that? Yeah, here I'm saying my file. I'm inspecting my browser. Go to the console. Let's see, our output is here 30. Because of I'm, can you please observe your fifth line of my code? Add two numbers, pass 20 comma 10 comma 20. First 10 is holding the A value, B holds the second 20 value. So A plus B, it returns the function. Yeah, here I'm declaring the one function. I take the two parameters. Two parameters means A plus B. Write some logic A plus B. I written here. Whenever I calling this function, I will get the my output as 30. So this is a concept of function declaration and how to call this function. Reusability means, for example, same logic I need in another page also in my code. For example, I copy this page, copy, and 1 second, copy and paste. For example, I create one more page, function I underscore one dot html. This is my second page. Same logic. I don't want uh, for example, I'm loading this and I separate the JS file also separately because of common file. I divided my logic into and put into my logic in common file. One common.js or main.js, main.js. In main.js, I put my JS whole logic. Main.js have my JavaScript logic. in functional.html, I load the JS file just script tag src source path main.js. It should be load here. And next thing is same thing in function underscore one HTML page also. I load the same logic. Means common logic we are stored in one page. That page we import or store import in our wherever you can use in that page. Now I'm going to execute this page also. Yeah, same two pages have 30 result. In console log we can observe. Yeah, here also 30, and this is my previous page. Here also we have a result 30. So these two pages commonly used one JS file, that is main JS. This is the concept of the reusability concept in JavaScript. Uh, if I hope you are understood this concept. Uh, if you liked my video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and please click on the bell icon. Thank you.